Ayun pa oh.
Ayun pa.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Hindi pa ubos ang oras. Andiyan na.
Meron ba? Hindi, meron ba? Kaya niya na ganito putok. Pag sa tingin nyo, kung putok na, tingin nyo.
Hanggang kaya nyo. Pag naubos ang lobo, tapos na laban.
Okay. Naku, pawis ito. Pinakaano na. Bakit mas malaki na yun?
May mga malaki dito oh. Ayun. Ayun ang malaki oh.
Hindi kaya si Sis. Okay, time's up.
Okay.
Individual, kung sino mama. Okay.
Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hooray. Depende sa sasabihin ko. Kung saan ko hooray, alam nyo. Okay. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. 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 Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Jayan, dito ka.
Sayang, YouTube din to. Get set, go!
Sounds good. Uy, hindi pwede ka.
Ubusin yan.
na to.
Number 1, dribble. Number 3, exhibition. Number 3, exhibition. Number 4, dribble. And shoot the ball. Ayan, all 3 na tayo. Maganda ang laban to, maganda to. Three all pa, 3 all. Okay. Number 5, dribble. Number 5, dribble. Number 2, dribble. Number 8, exhibition. Number 8, exhibition. And shoot the ball. Ano ba yan? Nakalamang pa yung kabila. Ano ba yan? Team ni Ate Mercy, ano nangyari sa inyo? Nakakabul pa yun. Update ko ang score, 4-3. 4-3. Ang bola nyo lang yan. Bola nyo lang yan. Okay, ready. Last na sa kabila, kayo dalawa pa. Sana may paglan ninyo, ha? Okay, number 4, dribble. Number 4, dribble. Number 5, exhibition. Number 6, dribble. Number 6, dribble. Number 6, dribble. Number 5, exhibition. Number 7, dribble. Number 7, dribble. Number 1, dribble. Number 2, dribble. Number 3, exhibition. Number 3, dribble. Number 4, exhibition. Number 5, dribble. Number 1, dribble. Number 1, dribble. Number 4, dribble. Number 4, dribble. Number 7, exhibition. And shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. All on four. Score po natin. Tie. Tie po tayo. Tie. Ayan. Tie po tayo. Apo, decision na po. Okay. Ito na po, decision na po ito. Nakagalingan po natin. Sino po ba magaling dyan? Ayan. Okay. Number 1, dribble. Number 1, dribble. Number 4, exhibition. Number 4, exhibition. Number 5, dribble. Number 8, dribble. Number 7, exhibition. Number 8, shoot the ball. Panalo po ang team ni Ate Mercy. Ayan. Yun. Congratulations po. Congratulations. Congratulations. Mercy Group, Merry Christmas po. Lahat. Hindi pa po tapos ang ating game. Meron pa daw po isa. Ayan. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?